Hello my loves, it's Catch Up Manuista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread in my Catch Up planner, which is a Deep Botanicals Classic Size Happy Planner. So I am going to be working on the first week of June and of May. So May 29th through June 4th. I did want to make a black and white spread, so I prepared a few things. I got the black and white book from the Happy Planner, as well as some Etsy line art florals that I really love. So I printed all of these and made some cutouts. I'm not sure how I'm going to be incorporating them just yet, but obviously I'm going to be using this more than once. It's lovely. They're super cute. So I'm going to start with a couple frames that I printed, and those will be my big list. So one of them will be my gratitude list. One of them will be my cleaning list for the house. Just like making sure it's sitting right. Perfect. And I'm just gonna like peel it down. So, okay. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before, welcome back. Thank you so much. I hope that you are enjoying yourself. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the lines in there. Okay, and it's time to incorporate other sticker books and other stickers. So from the black and white, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this amazing and put it in the corner. I think that might actually look super cute. So let's see. Trial and error, you guys. I have no clue what I'm doing sometimes, or most of the time. So if my spreads look good, it's purely by accident, and just saying. So very monochrome spread today. I hope that you guys enjoy black and white ones. I really do. I think they look so chic and sophisticated. I do enjoy making them. So I put wonderful day, and then I'm just gonna put just be you. I think that looks good as well. Okay, and then I'm gonna pull out another one of those box things. I just need to figure out which one. I think this one, each one is different, you guys, so that's why I'm trying to decide which one to do. But I do want them vertically instead of horizontally. So I did want to pick ones that kind of have everything all around. Okay, so let me place this in on the edge and then press this down. Look at that. Perfect. Love it. I think it looks great. Okay. So 2 steps down, so many steps to go. So just bear with me. Okay. So like I said, I'll use one for gratitude and one for like the house cleaning. So those will be my 2 big ones. I need another big piece for Sunday somewhere. Probably not one of those like flower ones, but maybe something different. So let's try. I'm gonna go ahead and add maybe smaller things from this book. Ooh, let's grab these black boxes. They're like almost like a speech bubble. I will use this as my work schedule this week. I think that might work pretty well. Okay. So I need boxes, but I want salad boxes and want them to look in a very specific way. So I will go ahead and keep adding some more boxes. Okay. What do I do? Let me go ahead and grab a black box from Mojo Jojo and some checklists, and we'll add those to the spread. I think they'll make the biggest difference. So Check It Off is one of my favorite books, as all the colors of the rainbow, and basically lives as a check mark. So that's what I use. I love it. It's super, super cool. So I'm adding those to my hand as always. And then I'm going to go ahead and add those to the spread. So first and foremost, I'm adding them. And then I'm going to decide where all of these go. Some of them might be slightly shorter because of the fact that there's already decoration on top. So I wanted to make sure that it's not obstructed. Okay, so I removed that piece of that, and then let's go ahead and add the rest of the checklist. So I'll add one on Wednesday. I think that might work out. Yes. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add one on Thursday. Okay, Friday needs one as well. And Saturday I can put the same thing as Thursday, kind of on top, and just remove one to do check mark. No big deal. Let me add that one to Friday. Again, I have to remove one check mark, but not a terrible thing, right? Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add a few more things on checklist on Sunday too, because Sundays are sometimes more productive than other days for us, so it just depends. So yeah. And in case I haven't mentioned that, this is my catch-all, so I do a lot of lists in here, all of the house stuff, all of the appointments, all of main events, anything like that goes in here, which I think is great and so much fun, but obviously everything with moderation, because I could write in here, so I limit myself to a few tasks a day, because I do overschedule myself quite a bit. I'm not sure if you guys are also classic overschedulers, especially on a Monday. It's like something happens to me. I don't know. Okay. Box time. So I'm gonna add quite a few boxes for events, and then I'm gonna go ahead and continue decorating the boxes first, because who doesn't love a black box, right? It's like the rite of passage in the planner world, a black box. I'm not sure. I love my functional planners with a little bit of decoration, so it's like a win where both of them combine my functionality with my decoration. Okay, so I'm gonna add all of these boxes. I think that looks pretty good. What do you guys think? So I'm just adding them slightly randomly, and I'm gonna put decorations in between and kind of decide what to do with this. So Monday needs a box as well. And then I get to add all of the little details. So leaves, flowers, arrangements, all of this lovely stuff. So let's start with a few of the flowers. I'm gonna take them off, put them on my hand, and then distribute them as I go. Okay. Couple more, because what's a spread without a couple more, right? They're beautiful and lovely, and I love the graphics of these. So I'm not sure if these are magnolias or what, or peonies, but these flowers are absolutely stunning. And if you are not like me and you would prefer not to have a white and black spread, you can always color those in. So I did print them on a paper. So if I wanted to just do everything in like a duochrome to color, meaning I could do like black and green or black and yellow. I could color those in and bring the color that I'm looking for into the spread. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and keep going and add those beautiful, lovely flowers into here. So I'm gonna play around. I'm gonna go ahead and link these boxes with this greenery. I think it's so cute. Look at these flowers. I love them. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple more of these really lovely details into the spread and then see how that goes. So I need something for Tuesday. Maybe Thursday. We'll see. I am looking at what I have. Okay, so another like long greenery will look good, like coming from the amazing and like kind of reaching into the big border. I think that might look nice. Let me know what you guys think. I love creating these really funky looking spreads, and especially when I write in my spread, it looks so different and so fantastic. So I can't wait to share the finished product when I'm done writing in here. I think it'll look so cool. Okay, a couple more things. So I went back to the HP book to see if there's anything that I wanted to add from there. So again, that book is called Black and White from the Happy Planner. And I think I'm gonna use this washi, this dotted black washi. I think it's so adorable and it fits this style perfectly. So I'm gonna take strips and add them. So I'm gonna add some to the bottom to kind of highlight and finish that, almost like an end of a frame type of thing. I think that looks great. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side and cut it right in front of that greenery, so it's not obstructed, like so. Okay, that works. I think that looks really, really good. I'm gonna take a couple more pieces and spread them throughout the spread. I might have to cut it. So there's one that's a single box, and then I think there's a double box left. Let's check. And then one like a full box left, like a full page left. So I'm gonna go ahead and start adding these little elements because I think that's so much fun. But if I am adding them, let's try to do it straight. I don't know. I really don't know what's wrong with me. It's like one day I'm really good and I can do the straight line, and one day it's like I'm not even sure what's going on. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that little strip right up there. I think it looks adorable. It will end the checklist and kind of give it a nice feel. So I'm going to do that, and then that should fit perfectly into another box. So let's check. Yep, look at that. They look so good, you guys. Little crooked, but it's fine. And I'm going to do another one because there's another one with two box things. So I'm going to balance out the black on the other side with all of the washi. I think that's so much fun. I'm just going to go ahead and put something right underneath my checklist. Okay, get off my finger. Okay, perfect. And then probably not too much more. So I think it looks pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you like black and white spreads, because truly I adore them, but not everybody does. I'm just looking for more stickers, so I might add another one, like a little one on the side to like put to-dos and stuff, so I think that might work. And let's see how it goes, but that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and pop it back into my planner and see how it looks, and I'll see you guys soon for another plan with me. Thank you so much for hanging out today, and if you're not subscribed already, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe yourself. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye!